Good Saturday evening. We saw pleasant weather across central Alabama. In fact, great weather for the first home game here in Tuscaloosa for the Alabama Crimson Tide. Though it wasn't just limited to Tuscaloosa for that nice weather. It was across all of the state, just about, seeing those nice temperatures anywhere between those upper 70s to mid to upper 80s. Look at satellite radar right now. Clear skies for us here in central Alabama, but making a change in location, somewhere where it's maybe not quite as pleasant, in fact not pleasant at all. Currently tracking Hurricane Irma. It has slowed down dramatically. That's because we're starting to see that northward shift. It has been downgraded to a Category 3 because it's been dealing with some of those higher elevations off the island of Cuba. As we start seeing this northward shift overnight tonight, we're going to start seeing it getting ready to make impact with both the Key West and moving into Florida, impacting much of the western coast. You know, some of those outer bands already impacting southern Florida, and that's already brought a tornado watch for much of the southern half of the peninsula, as well as one tornado warning right now. Just to the north of that, numerous flood warnings and a hurricane warning, and then just above that we have a tropical storm warning. And then as we start getting into Alabama, the tan and pink being a wind advisory and a tropical storm watch. That's because over the next several days we're going to see that path start lifting up towards the north as it rides along the western coast of Florida. Then it's going to move into more of the actual continental U.S. and start shifting towards the northwest, and it's going to be passing over for us here in central Alabama. That's going to bring some showers and storms. Looking at futurecast though, we're going to be starting off dry, or at least finishing off for our weekend dry. Here we are going through Sunday, just some passing clouds, but overall dry conditions. But once again, the Monday, we're going to start seeing some isolated showers, possibly to start off early in the morning. I think most of the rain will be holding off to a little bit closer to lunchtime, unless tracks continue to bring that storm a little bit further west. So starting off in the morning, early, dry. But as we start getting to around lunchtime, that's when I think we'll start actually seeing models lining up, starting to see some lighter showers. And once we get into the afternoon, into the evening hours, that's when we'll start seeing those stronger bands of storms moving through. Very gusty winds coming along with this, anywhere between 20 up to 50 miles an hour. So very windy conditions. West Alabama probably getting the least severe side of the stuff, while East Alabama is going to be seeing more of the actual stronger, gustier winds, as well as higher rain possibilities. Looking at forecasted wind, just like I said, West Alabama is seeing just 10 to 35 miles per hour, but West Alabama is seeing much stronger winds, 35 to 50 miles per hour. Forecast rain amounts as well. West Alabama getting spared a little bit more, but East Alabama seeing much more rain, but that can easily change if our tracks continue to shift further west. Look at your extended forecast. Sunday dry, but Monday we see Irma moving in. That's going to bring showers and storms for the remainder of Monday, and that'll last through a good chunk of Tuesday. And then Wednesday we'll possibly see just a few lingering showers, but notice the temperatures are going to be cool throughout this entire time. And then we're going to quickly be back on a warming trend once we finally get Irma out of Alabama. Temperatures by next weekend back into the 80s with lots of sunshine.